Hi everyone, it's Kadam Sachin over here. I was just scrolling through my newsfeed. I came across an article which really made me to think a bit. Okay, so that is the reason I'm trying to make this video and share my point of view as well. Okay, so the article says, okay, studies have shown that 80% of the people who take New Year resolutions will fail, okay, and at least 40% of the people will fail by mid-February. Okay, it was not a stat, just a random stat. Okay, it was a study conducted by University of Scranton. Okay, this data is well researched and well analyzed. Okay, so I was just wondering because for the past few years, okay, I took a lot of New Year resolutions. Okay, frankly speaking, I have not completed at least 50 to 60% of them. I just committed to achieve that goal, committed to achieve that, but I couldn't do, and some things I just give up. Okay, I was just wondering why I have done that. Okay, I hope this is not only with me. This problem occurs with a lot of people. Okay, they just commit, I want to do this from New Year, and they just procrastinate or they just give up. I don't know the reason behind it. I was just thinking why this will happen. Okay, so after thinking for the last 15 minutes, I was just thinking about it. Okay, I just came to a conclusion that if we give our emotion, okay, if we give our emotion to a particular date, what will happen if that day passes by? The emotion will be done. Okay, the emotional connection with that day will be completed, and then we will be same. After 1 week, we will be the same because we strongly connected with that date, not with our goal. Okay, this is my point of view. Okay, I'm not just saying randomly. Okay, this is my point of view, because if we set our emotion to a particular date, if that date completes, then we will be the same person because we are strongly connected from inside to that date. Okay, so what I thought, okay, there we are not using our logical brain. Okay, we are just emotionally going towards that goal. We want to do that, we want to make that happen, but we are not thinking logically whether it will happen or not, whether our goal is really a reachable goal or something like that. Okay, so more 20 days left for this new year 2022. Okay, my point of view is, why can't we take a New Year resolution now? Okay, because we still have 20 days left. Okay, now we don't go emotionally like on New Year I want to do workout, I want to do something like that. No, we still have 20 days time. We can take a 1 week time. We can just analyze with our emotional brain plus logical brain. Okay, we know what exactly we want to do if we plan 7 days, 8 days before, because we are analyzing everything with a specific goal. Okay, for example, I'll say you an example. Okay, somebody will take a New Year resolution that I want to do workout from New Year 1. Okay, 90% of the people who take this goal will fail. This is as per the stats. Okay, I'm not saying this from my own words. Okay, this is as per the stats. Okay, the reason behind this, because it's not a specific goal. Okay, doing a workout is not a specific goal. We need to have a specific goal, like I will go to gym, I will do this type of workouts, this is my personal coach, I will follow this diet. Everything should be specific. If we have that specific goal, then we have a plan, we analyzed it properly, our emotions are connected, our logical analysis is connected, then the probability of achieving that goal is so high. Okay, I hope you understood my point. It's all about connecting emotionally and logically both. Then we will have that idea, then we will have that plan to achieve that goal. Okay, this is my point of view. I was just thinking about this for the last 15 minutes. Okay, I already started making my plan. Okay, I hope you will do for sure. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. See you, take care, bye bye.